here at Copwatch. We're in Sacramento. California Highway Patrol, which is across the street from the Capitol. It was lobbying day. Oh, now they pull up their windows. Let's see if I can walk to the other side. Safety, service, and security, my butt. What's this guy doing? He's on his computer somehow. California Highway Patrol. Just drove right in front of me. What the fuck is this guy doing? Doesn't even look like he should be driving here. Wondering if he can identify himself, and maybe I can get an idea what his badge is. Can you identify yourself, please, sir? Roll the window down. Roll it. It's not rolling the window down. Jerk. Can you roll the window down, please, sir?
Nope, sir.
Can I get your badge, please, sir? Name and badge.
What do you think of my badge number?
You're a public servant.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a fucking piece of shit. No reason to give his name and badge. He just happens to be driving a SUV in an area where people are walking. Oh, it says Highway Patrol. This ain't the highway. Just wondering what the fuck this guy is doing. No reason to give his name and badge. Get the fuck out of here. Oh my god. These are pricks. Alright. I'm gonna keep that in mind. I don't know what this guy's up to. Is he waiting for his co-worker? Is he grabbing a sandwich at the cafe? I don't know. Driving where pedestrians walk. This ain't the highway, asshole. Hey, Bets. Nah, some fucking highway patrol prick. Hey, good afternoon. At least I can make him go away. Some highway patrol asshole didn't want to identify himself. He's in front of a cafe, so I didn't know what the fuck he was doing. So anyway, well, I'm gonna get out of the sun. Today is lobbying day. We're here in Sacramento for two very important bills. Families of people killed by police are leading this struggle. I am here for San Diego families who need to continue their life while we have to put them out. That they're there, they're here. As you can see, I got flyers, doing a lot of outreach. So everybody be safe, film cops.